Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Toyota Sequoia timing belt. Understanding its condition is crucial for your vehicle's health. A timing belt ensures your engine's components work in perfect harmony. Ignoring its maintenance can lead to severe engine damage and very expensive repairs down the road. Most Sequoia timing belts are designed to last between 90,000 and 105,000 miles, but checking it regularly is always a smart move. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Make sure your Sequoia's engine has completely cooled down to avoid burns. Then, for an extra layer of safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery. This prevents any accidental engine cranking while you are working. Next, you will need to carefully remove the engine cover and any other accessories that might obstruct your view of the timing belt area. Now for the actual inspection. Carefully examine the entire length of the timing belt for any signs of wear. Look closely for small cracks, fraying edges, or any missing teeth, which are critical indicators of a failing belt. Also, keep an eye out for any oil or coolant leaks around the belt area, as these fluids can degrade the belt material over time, significantly shortening its lifespan. If your inspection reveals any damage, no matter how minor, it is time for a replacement. A compromised timing belt can fail unexpectedly, causing catastrophic engine damage. Many mechanics recommend replacing the water pump and tensioner at the same time, as these components share a similar lifespan. For precise installation and peace of mind, having a qualified professional perform this critical service is highly advisable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.